Hi, I'm Dr. Sarah Kuck. I'm an assistant professor of political science, and this course is Georgia Government Review. Georgia Code Law requires that all students who are enrolled in a University System of Georgia institution have to demonstrate a competency in the United States Constitution, the United States history, the Georgia State Constitution, and Georgia history. This course is designed to assist students in demonstrating the Georgia competency. The course is structured with 4 lectures. The first lecture covers the political history of Georgia. The second looks at the state constitution. The third looks at and explores the 3 branches of government as defined by the state constitution. And the final lecture looks at state and local government and their relationship together and how they interact. There are some study aids that are included in the course, and they're labeled study aids. These are designed to help students to determine their competency with the material and to assist students in preparing themselves for the challenge exam. There's also going to be some opportunity to interact with your classmates as well as the instructor. You can discuss things like the future policy challenges in the state and other exciting Georgia issues. If you need help or if you have any questions or want some clarification, my contact information is listed under the Getting Started module. Thanks, and let's get started.